Today we're crafting this super cute clay cat, and here are the materials that you need. First, roll a ball of cream clay for the body. Now let's make a bigger ball for the head and shape it round. Let's make an indent for the mouth using your sculpting tool, and for the face, let's attach the eyes. Do not forget the tiny pink tongue. Too cute, right? Now let's make 2 equal triangles for the ears and attach them to the head. Get your black clay and roll it into super thin strings, and carefully place the whiskers on the side of the face. Attach the body to the head and secure it with a toothpick. Roll out a strip of black and white clay for the tail and curve it slightly. We're almost there. Make small cream teardrops for the feet, then press them into place. And there you have it, a simple, cute clay cat, perfect for beginners. Follow us for all things clay.